Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Meet the STANLEY FATMAX Cordless Pressure Washer. With improved battery technology, this powerhouse is ready to tackle any job, whenever and wherever. No memory effect and minimal self-discharge mean it's always prepared for action. Experience high performance with 2 speeds, 55 and 70 bar, plus a powerful 100 bar boost mode to blast away stubborn dirt. The self-priming system draws water from any fresh water source, making it incredibly versatile. Equipped with a pencil fan nozzle, turbo nozzle, and a removable foam cannon, you have everything you need for multiple applications. Its ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort and portability, while the telescoping folding handle and integrated wheels provide outstanding maneuverability. Get ready to clean like a pro with the STANLEY FATMAX R. 18-volt cordless pressure washer.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.